Kubi pha. Kubi pha. Kwasho uGwede Mantashe. Wathi landana uFloyd. Kubi pha. Hayi nyama nje labekuthiwa landana uNomvalo. Kubi pha. What on earth is going on in the MK party? Bethu, i-MK party i-party ethandwa kakhulu e-KZN, ebe ne-support enkulu. Uma ngabe kuwukuthi awuyona i-MK party uyamazi o-MK party. Uma ukuthi wena uqobo lwakho awuyisupport khona ohlala naye endlini oyisupportayo. That's how much people love i-MK party abantu base-KZN. Ubona nangendlela abaperforme ngayo kuma-elections, especially eThekwini, people love i-MK party. Kodwa ukubona indlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo, i-instability within the party, hayi kuyadabulisa. Akanoma instability ngoba uthi uma ngabe bekhuluma bathi akuyona instability, bathi it's a new party, so izinto ziyashintsha nani. Kodwa uma ngabe, maybe let's bring someone to speed, umuntu ongazi sikhuluma ngani. Umongameli wayo i-MK party uNcamalala usethathe isinqumo sokuthi uye uye ozonominata bonke abantu abazoba ama-candidates e-MK party njengoba kuya kuma-local government elections.
But is that even possible? How many municipalities? No, I'm not expecting an answer. How many municipalities do we have in KZN as a whole? How many wards? Ngiyazi ukuthi asizange singene ukwenza lo research. How many wards do we have in the entire KZN? How do you do that? The last time I checked, eThekwini alone has 112 wards. The last time I checked, because in khona eThekwini, 112 wards. So that means there is 112 candidates in eThekwini alone. To screen 112 people, how much of time will it take? Singakayi PMB, singakayi Richards Bay, singakayi Potchefstroom, singakayi Newcastle. I'm sabala the bigger municipalities now. Then there are smaller municipalities. There is your Inkandla, there is your Vryheid, there is your Paul Pietersburg. Is it even possible?
Ngicela ukuphendula kanje. Ama-local government elections ma-national government elections abengo-May ka-2024, right? I-MK party yalontshiwa ngomhla ka-16 December,
Yes.
2023. That is 5 months away from ama-local government elections. Ukube ngakubuza umbuzo ngomhla ka-14 December, noma ngithi nje ngomhla ka-20 December 2023, ukuthi ku-possible yini ukuthi ulaunch i-political party ngo-December 2023, leyo political party ithole
number 3.
Yes, ibe number 3 nationally, ibe number 1 in KZN. I-answer yakho engathini?
Well, I did see it coming.
You saw it coming?
I saw it.
No. Because ngikubuza ngomhla ka-17 kade launch political party.
Ngakubona mina immediately
wakubona.
ANC is going to be in trouble.
Okay.
And okay, am I saying now MK aizo abantu abazoyivotela? No, that's not what I'm saying. But I'm talking about I've never been part of any political party. I don't know how these things work. But getting councillors registered to be able to stand for the party in all sisakhuluma nge-KZN angithi leyanto uzoyenza throughout the country.
So Mpumalanga, they're quite big there as well.
So that is why ngibuza mina ukuthi, is it possible?
Allow me to land. I haven't landed. Okay. I was going to answer exactly that question. Yes. So when I'm asking you ukuthi wawungathini, okay, it was when you saw it coming, but majority of us we're like, I mean, it's not gonna help. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Kodwa uNxabalala wasikhombisa ukuthi master chess player. He's got chess moves, big chess moves, and wenza the unthinkable. Even I'm a political analyst. Nobody was putting EMK Party where they are. Nobody was putting MK Party above EEFF, but he did it. Maybe it's not a good idea to question Nxabalala. Maybe he knows better.
No, I don't think so. No, I disagree with you. No. I don't think so.
Maybe he knows better.
No. Any true leader needs to accept ukuthi kunabantu abazowaquestion ama-decisions ayo. And any true leader kufanele ibe ready ukuphendula phela mangabe ibuzo. You understand? So we can't just sit and not question. You understand? I'm not a member of the MK, but he owes those people an explanation. How is this going to be done? Is it possible? He owes them an explanation. How is it going to be done? What processes are going to be followed? What's going to be the shortlisting procedure? You work in a company somewhere. The company doesn't employ so many people. When you have got 3 positions advertised, there are processes that are followed up until those positions are filled. So if in this ward, there are 4 people who are showing good candidacy to be councillors, it's going to be a tedious exercise to be left with 1. You understand? So what process is going to be followed? Obviously, those questions need to be asked by members internally, because at the end of the day, I'm a voter. All I need is to see amagama eXoxeni, then I will decide to I go for green, yellow, black, whatever. I'll just decide to ngiyakuphi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Asizwele uNxabalala echaza le.
Yeah.
Ne rationale behind his decision.
Ngathi ekuqaleni angifuni kube khona abantu abazokhethwa ngoba uhlubo. Ayiyeka ke uma comrade daya kwenziwe. Nanso ke inkinga isifikile le ngangiyibalekela. Ngangifuna ukuyenza ngedwa lento. Ngikhomba umuntu ngithi wena nawe ngokubazi. Noma singahluleka manje ngoba sizobanga. Siphinde futhi sihluleke njengoba sahluleka. Still sekhona yothi akusekho umuntu ke manje ozokhethwa. Mina ngizobakhetha.
Let me just ask you. I know you are also not in politics, but is this democratic for the organization? Because angithi mina ke manje sengibuka umlando wakho uNxamalala, right? Mina ngibuka kanjalo. uNxamalala uzalwe wakhulela kwi-African National Congress. And the African National Congress enezindlela zokwenza izinto, right? And kwi-African National Congress, there've always been ama-Congress akhetha i-leadership, and there's always been ama-contestation, and then whoever emerges out of that contestation, everybody needs to rally behind that particular leader. In this particular process, now, if the main man ethi imi nozozenze, is there any democracy in that?
So I don't think democracy is not the only way of governing or of running an organization or of leading. And it's not, democracy is also not perfect.
Okay, you have covered me, so it means they're not doing things.
No, yeah. Yes. It's obvious. Hence, leaders are appointed in the MK Party. There hasn't been a conference. And Nxabalala wakusho quite a number of times ukuthi akafuni kube khona i-conference ngoba kuba khona uxabano. ngiyizwa amanye ama-leader uma ngabe ekhuluma ethi ngoba basabasha bazoya kwi-conference, but I remember clearly uNxamalala ethi akafuni kube khona i-conference ngoba kuba khona ukuxabana. So they are using a different methodology or a different way of running an organization than le ndlela democratic. Kodwa-ke Ntokozo, I want us to maybe be fair ukuthi uma ngabe ethi wayefuna ukuyichuzela yena abantu, ngiyazi ukuthi simzwile uyisho lo ngomlomo wakhe, kodwa mina lokho angikuthathi literally, to be honest.
It's fine.
Wait, let me land. Angikuthathi literally. Angicabanga ukuthi uthi yena personally siqu sakhe uzokhomba usibanibani nosibanibani nosibanibani. Ngicabanga ukuthi uzoba nabo abantu abathembayo azobachuza yena uNxamalala abazomlekelela. Last night I didn't read the statement and I hate myself for not reading the statement. Ngibone i-statement esiphume kuyona i-MK Party ukuthi sekhona i-structure esinye futhi structure sifonyiwe. Ngicabanga ukuthi sibizwa ngokuthi, I might be wrong, i-Presidential Task Team. Leso structure angizange sifunde i-statement kodwa sizosebenzisana nayo uNxamalala. So mhlawumbe isona leso structure ngiwafunda ngama-rules ama-duties wabo. Mhlawumbe isona leso structure esizomlekelela kulo msebenzi. Angicabanga ukuthi uyena yedwa nje ozochuza abantu. Ngokwangibuka mina ngendlela kwenzeka ngayo. Does it look stable right now? No. Does it look sustainable? No. It looks messy.
Okay.
It looks messy. It looks scary actually. Ngoba I mean, some of us are in KZN and siyayazi, I mean, politically there's a history like KZN. Uma izinto zenzeka kanjena sike sithuke ukuthi sicela kungabuyeli la siphuma khona.
Yeah, well, you have just, wangenza ngayibuka ngenye indlela. I have to be honest. Angithi mina bengigcwele ukuthi okay, ngazi ukuthi njengoba esuka kwi-ANC ka-ANC kwenziwa kanje. And where I was making a mistake is having an expectation ukuthi he's going to be doing things the ANC way.
Yeah.
Just like how the EFF, for example, does most of its things the ANC way, conference and so on. So that was my impression. But it's not like a rule because he was in the ANC, he must do things the ANC way. Now he's doing things the MK way. I need now to follow the MK to understand the MK way of doing things and learn the ANC ways when I'm following the MK politics. Just like when, as a podcaster, sometimes I follow the DA. When I'm following the DA, I have to learn the DA way of doing things so that I can be able to, to formulate the full picture of what's going on.
I wish you a lot of luck learning the MK way. Because the MK way... But
you just helped me to see the MK way.
I'm trying to understand it myself. It looks quite unstable and a little bit messy for my liking. But maybe from outside. I'm an outsider. Mina kumele baloli ivoti lami ukuthi ngihambe ngibavotele. Njoba ne-ANC loli ivoti lami, njoba ne-DA loli ivoti lami, nasengidinga ukudecide ukuthi ngizovotela bani, EFF, Action SA, all of them. But from where I sit at the moment, when I look at the MK Party and the power that, or rather the support that they have in KZN, I become worried for the people who love the party. Uguti, is this sustainable? Because by the political, it needs to live beyond the founding leader. But how? Like, it just seems, what happened to the National Command? What was it called? National Command? National Command, yes, they were called National Command. Dalimpofu used to sit there. What happened to the National Command? Are those people still even active? When was the last time you saw Dalimpofu speaking on behalf of the MK Party?
Hayi kulungile angisasho lutho manje mina. Ngizoze ngikhulume into eziningi kakhulu.
Hayi siyathanda ukukhuluma into eziningi. Khona okunye usafuna ukusho yini?
Hayi angisana lutho hayi.
Awuye kuma comment section usazisa wakho umbono. Kona konke sikhulume ngakho namhlanje.